Greetings everyone, welcome aboard. Happy Friday to you guys. April 1st, 2011. I know we made it through the month of March. Barely, of course. Well, I'm just joking. We had a good month of March. It was challenging, right? Tested our emotions. It really tested our trading plan, that's for sure. And it really tested my ability to follow those rules. And you know, this morning, April 1st, we kind of have the wind at our back now, don't you? Do you feel that, right? Do you feel that wind at your back right now? This is what it feels like to be a professional trader when you've worked through a very challenging environment. Now, the good news is that we only have to deal with this every once in a while, right? Think about it. It's the last couple weeks of March, right? It's the last week of August, the first week of September, right? That holiday area, end of August, early September, end of the summertime, okay? And then you've got the end of the year. Now, the end of the year it's the best time of year, but the last week of December, depending on when the holidays kind of settle in. You've got the Christmas holiday, of course. You've got obviously lots of holidays, but the big one is the Christmas holiday, 25th of December. Depending on where that falls in, between December 15th and January 10th. Right, that bracket right there. So halfway through December into the first week and a half of January. So we really only have about 3 times where we really got to be careful, like we did in March. And of course, it's behind us, right? We're still alive, still breathing, and here we are, April 1st now, first day of a new month, first day of a new quarter, but it's the last day of the week. And that's why we knew this morning might be a variable, right? When we came in this morning, and we've been talking about this yesterday, when we came in this morning, we knew today could be a variable. We may have a huge day, but we may also have a real challenging day. Now, we had non-farm payrolls at 8:30, which was the reason why we could have had a really big day, but we also knew it was a Friday after we had just finished the month of March, which, in my opinion, meant we're probably going to see a little bit of price action, but probably not that much. So we knew we were looking for trades early. All right. It was funny because I had a client this morning that said, it's okay, we have plenty of time. And we didn't, right? This morning, the key this morning was Friday morning trades, we're going to have an early close. We knew we had non-farm payrolls at 8:30, but we also knew it can get real choppy around non-farm payrolls. If you guys remember, we talked about that yesterday. So after 8:30, we knew we had to get something going here fast because we were going to lose that volume after 10 o'clock news. So we really only had a little bit of a window opportunity. Okay, that's what we knew this morning. So we did have a sense of urgency between 8:30 and about 10:30 today where we were trying to squish everything in there. So we didn't really know what to expect, but we quickly found out, didn't we? 8:30, what happened? News came out pretty mixed. Okay, we had the unemployment rate. I love how they say this is the lowest unemployment in 2 years, right? 8.8%. Are you kidding me right now, right? At least it's not 10%, I guess, right? They stick the knife in and they go, well, that hurts, right? Let's pull it out. Does that feel better? Feel better now, right? So the unemployment rate drops by 0.1%. So everyone's all excited about that, right? Non-farm payrolls, we, of course, gained some jobs in the month of March. Problem was we had good news and bad news, which of course were kind of pulling and pushing and pulling. What happens is non-farm payrolls, and we talked this morning, non-farm payrolls on a Friday morning, my exact words were, we're either going to see one of 2 things happen. We're going to see this market go gangbusters up or down, or we're going to see it chop around sideways a little bit, maybe trending, but 1 tick lower low, 5 ticks back up, 1 lower low, 5 ticks back up. So we knew this morning, and my exact words were at about 8:35 this morning as this thing was developing. I said, guys, at 9 o'clock today, I'm either going to be break even, right, because it's going to be too choppy to trade, or I will be up by $1,000 right now because we will have made easy trades using this non-farm payrolls. As price was dropping, wave short 1, wave short 2, right? Buy those lows. We knew where that support was all morning. We come up, we break out through the highs of a channel. Whenever we break the highs of a channel or break the lows of a channel, whenever we exit a channel, I'm always looking to buy the lows going back up in, sell the highs going back down in. So my goal here was to sell the highs here and bring it down into that final target back at the lows. As you can see, didn't quite work out. Got out just in the nick of time here. And for the most part, I knew what to do because I was looking at my 3 signs of price reversals. What are the 3 signs of a price reversal? And you can actually search the blog for it right now. There's actually a video on the blog about it. What are those 3 signs? The 3 signs of a price reversal are the pace of tape, right? The big money, and momentum, right? Those are the 3 signs of price reversals, and that's covered on the blog. Just search for 3 signs price reversal and you'll find that video. So that wraps things up here on the gold. As you can see though, we really did a good job after we got scratched out there making our money today. About $1,000